and therefore become aware of that fact and willfully choose the reality you want. Do you want a reality based on a monotheistic archetype, which can be limiting nowadays, although it organized society for 2,000 years? Even the political archetypes define very limited realities around dualism. You're either an asshole from the right or an asshole from the left. In the United States, they choose the right. In Europe, a lot of them in France choose the left. They feel just as convinced with that. They choose their reality. You always choose your reality, perhaps by repeating things. And you can even repeat non-facts, and they become facts.
Reality.
Imagine how powerful it is when you repeat facts. Because if we repeat facts, then it's even a more powerful enchantment. So now that we have the internet, now that we have the technology, now that we understand QM, now that we understand that the sun explodes, we can choose a reality that makes Earth heaven, where we have food, where we have end of war, where we have peace and love, and blah, 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 blah. You always choose your reality. And magical activity may boil down to pushing the boundaries of reality between warring gangs of programmers, as it were, where you always choose, and the trick becomes become aware of it and then willfully enchant, not just randomly submit to whatever current is going. We get on top of our destiny in a way, not in a way precisely. And so you get to the emergence of will as commanding words and forces, including gravity, to make our own reality. We don't control gravity today. We control electromagnetism. We don't have UFO propulsion, typically. We will soon, because there is a coupling between electromagnetism and gravity, at least in the mathematical texts. And what that means is our will one day impart our trajectory of the sun and our trajectory of the planet. And when it does so, we have a lot of energy and a lot of power. So what do we use it for? Do we use it for creating prisons of the mind and concentration camps and misery on Earth and blah, blah, blah? Or do we willfully apply it and create a new reality born out of the internet and Marxist abundance? Because Marx started as a sci-fi hypothesis. He wanted to say, hello, Hiris. Hello, Hiris.
We're calling in reference to your current